Now, eyeing 400 par, the BJP continues their alliance shopping as the Lok Sabha polls, in fact, are on the anvil. In Tamil Nadu, the PMK has officially sealed the deal to join the NDA fold, while in Maharashtra, MNS chief Raj Thackeray appears was set to join hands with the ruling Mahayuti alliance, but all is not well. In Bihar, Pashupati Paras has resigned as a cabinet minister, while in Karnataka, the JDS is unhappy.
Setting their sights on a third consecutive electoral win, the BJP is actively forming alliances, welcoming both new and former partners into the NDA. On Tuesday, the BJP finalized its alliance with the PMK in Tamil Nadu for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
வருகின்ற மக்களவை தேர்தலில் தமிழ்நாட்டில் பாட்டாளி மக்கள் கட்சி தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணியில் சேர்ந்து வருகின்ற தேர்தலை போட்டியிட முடிவு செய்திருக்கிறது. பிரதமர் மோடி அவர்கள் நல்லாட்சி தொடர தமிழ்நாட்டில் மாற்றங்கள் நாங்கள் இந்த முடிவை எடுத்திருக்கின்றோம்.
Meanwhile, expelled AIADMK coordinator and former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam was seen pulling a golden chariot as a form of prayer for Prime Minister Modi's good health and victory. MNS leader Raj Thackeray met Union Minister Amit Shah, hinting at a possible alliance for the Lok Sabha elections in Maharashtra. Negotiations for seat sharing are ongoing between the JDS and the BJP for the Lok Sabha elections in Karnataka.
We have clearly stated, we have clarity, because this is a nation election, this is a national election. So we are not being greedy, we are a regional party, and we need to gain respect among our party workers also. But we want this alliance to be very healthy. We don't want a repeat of 2019 which happened with Congress, because this is more of a natural alliance when it comes to the ground.
The BJP, the Telugu Desam Party and the Jan Sena Party have joined forces to contest the Lok Sabha and Andhra Pradesh Assembly elections together. Nitish Kumar has already rejoined the NDA from Bihar. A political maneuvering aimed at achieving the ambitious target of 400+ seats for the NDA. Bureau Report, India Today.